This is the NS63 road as a train. See, very interesting things we can see here. This is the train going towards the Hospet, Koppal, first Koppal, then Hospet, then goes to Guntakal Junction, and this is my highway. Very rainy season is there, very interesting. Rain is there, enjoy turning. And parallelly you can see in both the things, the bus is going this side and train is the other side. Wonderful parallel operation. Train and bus both are there,
Side by side.
and I am in the I am at the car.
Last point, the nearest is last.
See how close it is there, the train. So we are going train. This side is train, double engine train. One state government, one central government. Not like that actually, both belongs to central government only. Double engine train. And this side you can see the nice grove of not paddy, I think this is popcorn, maize. This one is cotton. I'm showing you again back.
Then sugar cane.
Sugarcane you can see here. Sugarcane, wonderful sugarcane has come, and sunflower. So very nice sunflower, and this about to come the popcorn, maize. So we are going further. I'll show you